So 17 number, it says that the sum of first n terms given, sum of first n terms means Sn, right, is equal to n into n plus 1. So from here what we can write, S1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then S2, when if you can write if n is equal to 1, then this, then if n is equal to 2, then 2 into 2 plus 1, 6. If n is equal to 3, then S3 will be equal to 3 into 3 plus 1, 12. Then if n is equal to 4, then S4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1, that is 20. So it will continue, right? From here, actually, what we get to know, the summation of the first term. We have a series, okay? And the summation of the first term is the first term itself, right? Because first term is only a single term, okay? Then, if I tell you summation of first two terms, first term I already know, but the second term I don't know. The summation of these two is 6. Then what does it tell you? What is the value of the second term?
4.
Yes, 6 minus 2, it gives you 4. So, like how I found it? S2 minus S1, that gives me the second term. Likewise, S3 minus S2 will give me the third term. S4 minus S3 will give me the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, fourth term, right? Fourth term. Okay. So in the similar manner, we can find out. Okay. So first term we can say is equal to 2, and second term is equal to how I found out, S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. See, first দুইটা টার্মের সামেশন হচ্ছে 6, 2 আর 4 মিলে 6 ই হয়। Okay, then third term S3 minus S2, that is 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. এখন দেখো ফার্স্ট তিনটা টার্মের সামেশন ওরা বলছে কি 12, দেখি তো 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12 হচ্ছে, তাইলে ফোর্থ টার্ম কত হবে? S4 minus S3 is equal to 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. ফোর্থ টার্ম 8 হয়। তো ফার্স্ট চারটা টার্মের সামেশন 20 হয় কিনা দেখো, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. So finally it will continue, and then we can form the series like this: 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus dot dot dot, it will go. So this is how you have to form the series. Is it okay? They told us to find this and we found the series. Okay, now if you take a look at question number 18, that is similar to this one, but the thing is they told us to find out the sum of first 10 terms also. So in that case, if you want to find the sum of 10 terms, then how it will be? You have to just find out one more thing, that is S10. You have to apply this formula, okay? Sn, it is given already. The summation formula is this for this particular problem. So we will write 10 into 10 plus 1. Okay, so it will be 110.
So we have to make the series first?
Yes.
But we didn't said that you have to make
in 18 they told us if the sum of the first terms of a series is what is the sum of the first, no, আচ্ছা 18 এ আসলে তোমার সিরিজটা ফাউন্ড করতে হবে না, উইদাউট ফাইন্ডিং দ্য সিরিজ তোমরা সামেশন বের করে ফেলতে পারো। এটা এক লাইনের একটা অঙ্ক হবে। সিরিজ যদি বের করতে বলে দেন তোমার সিরিজটা বের করতে হবে, আর যদি সিরিজ বের করতে না বলে শুধু সামেশন বের করতে বলে তোমরা এখানে জাস্ট সিম্পলি ফর্মুলা অ্যাপ্লাই করে দিবে, এটা হয়ে যাবে। তো এই একটা লাইন, এটাই হচ্ছে কি তোমাদের 18 নাম্বারের সলিউশন। ওকে, বুঝতে পারছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে। এরপরে আমরা মাঝখানে একটা প্রবলেম স্কিপ করছিলাম, ওই যে এম এন এর একটা প্রবলেম, ওইটা একটু দেখি এখন। That is problem number 8. If the nth term of a series is n, acha, given nth term of a series is n. Now, from here I can write a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. যেহেতু m term তাহলে m minus 1 হবে। তো এখানে আসলে লিখে দিতে হবে যে here a is first term and d is common difference. So this is one equation. Let us say this is equation number 1. Then again another information is given that nth term is m. Nth term is equal to n. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m. So this is another equation 2. They told us to find out what is the m plus nth term of the series. Okay, so we need to find out m plus nth term is equal to what? That's it. We will try to find out. Now, to find out this one, we need to find out the value of a and d. How we can do that? If I subtract equation 1 from equation 2, then what will happen? A and a, they will get cancelled, right? একটা equation থেকে আরেকটা equation minus করলে কি হবে? a টা গায়েব হয়ে যাবে। So if I do like this, 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus 1, then what will happen? A plus n minus 1 into d minus this equation a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to here we have m, here we have n, so m minus n. A plus, let us multiply n into d, nd minus 1 into d minus d minus a plus md minus d, m minus n. A plus nd minus d minus a minus md plus d is equal to m minus m. If I withdraw the bracket, the sign will change, right? Plus md will become minus md, minus d will become plus d. Okay. Then here a plus a minus a, they get cancelled. Then minus d plus d, they get cancelled. nd minus md, this remains. nd minus md is equal to m minus n. So here if I take d common, n minus m will be there and m minus n will be. D is equal to, it will be m minus n divided by n minus n. So if you notice, if I just take a minus common from here, from the denominator, it will become m minus n. Minus common নিলে এটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়, তাই না? আর উপরেরটা সেমই থাকবে। So m minus n, they will cancel each other. It will be 1 only. Okay, so d is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is the value of d. Now if I replace the value of d in any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, I will get the value of d. No, sorry, a. Okay, so putting d is equal to minus 1 in, let us say I put in equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 will become a plus m minus 1 into d is minus 1, right? So in place of d, I put minus 1. And on the right hand side, we have n. So a minus 1 into m, it will become minus m minus a minus a plus 1 is equal to n. So a will be equal to minus m will become plus, then n is plus here, and my plus 1 will become minus 1. This is the value of a. Okay. So we found the value of a and b. Now we are ready to find the final answer, that is m plus nth term. Okay. So we will see how we can find out the m plus nth term. Where can I show you the calculation? Okay. So m plus nth term is going to be equal to a plus m minus 1 into b. Do you understand this thing? Nth term is n minus 1. M plus nth term is m plus n minus 1. Okay. Put the value of a and b. The value of a is m plus n minus 1. M plus n minus 1 plus m plus n minus 1 into minus 1. The value of d is minus 1. So it will be m plus n minus 1. If I multiply with minus 1, the sign will be changed. Minus m minus n plus 1. So it will be m cross n and plus 1 minus 1 cross. So it will be 0. The answer will be 0. Okay. If you have, kindly let me know. Okay. So then we can move on to the next problem. Till 18, I guess we are clear. Let us discuss about problem number 19. 19, can you solve? Go through the question number 19. I think you should be able to solve this one. If the sum, I will just show you the method, okay? Calculation, I will leave it up to you. So 19, if the sum of 12 term of an arithmetic series, they already told us this is an arithmetic series, and we know the summation formula of arithmetic series, that is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now they told us the value of summation of first 12 terms. So that means S12. Okay, so S12 is equal to what? 144. Now I can write the formula for S12. N will be replaced by 12. So it will be 12 divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 means 12 minus 1 into d is equal to 144. Achha. Let us simplify the equation a little bit. 2 দিয়ে 12 কে কাটলে এটা হবে 6 and ভিতরে থাকবে কি 2a plus 12 minus 1 11d. Okay, and 6, if I change the side, then it will be 144 divided by 6, that is 24. So 2a plus 11d is equal to 24, right? So this is one equation I'm getting. Then we have another information given, the first 20 term, the summation of first 20 term. So S20, right? S20 is equal to 560. Achha. So it will be 20 divided by 2 means n divided by 2, n is 20. So 2a plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 into d is equal to 560. Here we have 10 into 2a plus 19, d is equal to 560. If you know that 10, if I change the side, it will be divided, and 560 divided by 10, the 0 will get cancelled, and it will become 56 only. 19d is equal to 56. This is equation 2. Okay, what they have told us to find out? Sum of first 6 terms. Sum of first 6 term we need to find out. That means we need to know the value of A and D. Then only we can put the value in the formula, right? So A and D, how I can find out? If you check, we have 2A here, we have 2A here. So if I subtract any of the equation from the other one, then 2A, they will get cancelled. Okay, and then I can find the value of D. And after that, putting back the value of D in any of the equation will give me the value of A. Let me show you number 2 minus number 1. If I do this, then 2A plus 19D minus 2A plus 11D, it will give me 56 minus 24. So 2A plus 19D minus 2A minus 11D is equal to 32. So 2A, they will get cancelled. 19D minus 11D will be 8D is equal to 32. So from here you can easily find out the value of D, right? If 8, this one side change, 32 by 8, that means 4 is the 32, right? So D is equal to 4. Put back the value of D in any of the two equations, you will get the value of A. Then you have to find out the sum of first 6 terms. 6 terms, that means as 6. Okay, so 6 divided by 2, 2A. You will get the value of A from here. Then 6 minus 1 into D. D already you got 4. So I hope you can do, right? Achha.
Yes, sir.
Solve and then let me know the answer. Okay, then we have 20 number. 20 number, I leave it up to you. This is kind of similar to problem number 8. Okay, try to do yourself and then get back to me whether you could do or not. If not, then we can discuss in the next class. Acha. Then 21 number, the pth term, qth term and rth term of an arithmetic series are a, b, c respectively. Show that a into q minus r. Okay, this one also you try to solve at home. Okay. Think. All I want you to do is think about this. Okay. 20 and 21, these two are homework. And then let us see a 22 number. Show that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. You see here we have one series in the left hand side, another series we have in the right hand side. Okay, so if I want to show that both of them are equal to each other, what I need to do actually? I need to find the summation of the series that is in the left hand side, and I need to find the summation of the series that is in the right hand side. If both of the summation are equal, I can say that both of the series are equal. Correct? Okay, so I will just show you the process. 1357. Okay, this is problem number 2022. Achha, we have to show 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to how much? 125. 125. This is equal to 169 plus 171 plus 173 up to 209. So we need to find the summation of this. Then we need to find the summation of this. If both of them are equal, then I can say yes, they're equal to each other. So left hand side is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to 125. Now if I want to find the summation here, I need 3 values, a, d, n. So clearly we have the value of a, that is the first term, a is equal to 1. Then common difference, d is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we do not know the value of n. That means how many terms are there? I don't know. So I already told you, if there are 4 terms, the last one we consider 4th term. So let us say, as I don't know how many terms are there, I consider total n number of terms are there. If there are n number of terms, then the last one is going to be the nth term, right? Okay. So the last one, if I consider to be nth term, I can write nth term is equal to 125, and from here I can find the value of n. Then I can say how many terms are there. So a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 2. So 125. From here, I will find the value of n. So n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 1. If I change the side, it will be subtracted, right? 125 minus 1, how much it will be? 124. Then this 2 is multiplied. If I change the side of this, it will be divided by 2. 124 divided by 2 gives us 62. Right? Then this minus 1 is there. If I change the side of this minus 1, it will come this side and it will become plus 1. So it will be 63. So the value of n is 63. Now we can easily find the summation, right? The summation is Sn is equal to n by 2. We can clearly see there is common difference, so it is arithmetic series, and we will use the formula of arithmetic series. Okay, so how many terms are there? 63 terms are there. So it will be S63 is equal to 63 divided by 2, 2 into 1 plus 63 minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? Common difference, that is 2. That is 2. Okay, so do the calculation. 2 plus 62 into 2, that is 124. So 124, that is 126. 2 diye 126 ka katle, it is 63. So 63 into 63, 63 square arki. So find out how much is 63 square. Okay, I will just 3
3969.
3969. Okay. From here, actually, can we develop a formula? Like 63 is there, the last number will come first, and then the addition of that, and the first number comes, and then the addition of that. Likewise, can we try for other problem? Like for 35 square, will it be like that? No. For 35 square, it is not going to be like that. That's okay. So this is the summation for left hand side. Okay. In the similar manner, you have to find the summation for the right hand side and check whether they comes equal or not. Okay. And let me know in the next class whether you found the summation to be equal. Okay. Now there might be some confusion that in this left hand side, the highest term is 125. But in the left hand side, so right hand side, you can see that the first term is 169. It starts from 169 and then it continues. So how can it be possible that the summation of this series is equal to this series? Actually, if you notice, there are total 63 terms are there, right? 63 terms. Here there is lesser number of terms. See, starting from 169, we went up to only 209. So here the difference between the first term and the last term, it is 1 and 125, it is 124, but here the difference is 40 only. So here lesser number of terms are there. That is why there is a possibility that the sum might be equal. Okay, so check. Acha. So I showed half of the problem only. This is half of the problem. The summation of the left hand side. You have to find the summation for the right hand side in the similar process, and inshallah you will get the summation equal. Then next we have 23 number problem. A man agrees to refund the loan of Taka 2,500. That means total he has to repay 2,500. This is the total summation. Okay. in some installment ভাগ ভাগ করে দিবে। each installment is টাকা 2 more than the previous installment, তার মানে প্রথমে যদিও 100 টাকা দেয়, পরের ইনস্টলমেন্ট হবে 102 টাকা। ওকে, 100 টাকা দিয়ে শুরু করলে 102, then the next installment will be 104, then the next installment will be 106, it will go like that. Okay, acha, if the first installment is taka 1, first installment is taka 1, then in how many installments will the man be able to refund the amount? Okay, fine. That means it will form a series like this. The first installment is 1, the second installment will be 2 more than that, the third installment will be 2 more the second term, and okay, so this is the way the series is going to be, right? Now what we know, যত টাকাই ও দিবে টোটালটা অ্যাড আপ হয়ে ও টোটাল কত টাকা ব্যাক দিতে হবে? 2500 টাকা। আমরা কিন্তু সামেশনের এই সিরিজের সামেশনের ভ্যালুটা জানি। এখন আমরা জানি না যে কয়টা ইনস্টলমেন্ট এটা শেষ হবে, মিন্স আমরা n এর ভ্যালু জানি না। আচ্ছা, কেন n এর ভ্যালু জানি না, কিভাবে বুঝলাম যে এটা n এর ভ্যালু? খেয়াল করে দেখো, আমার যদি 4 টাকা লোন হইতো তাইলে কিন্তু দুইটা ইনস্টলমেন্টে শেষ হয়ে যেত, তাই না? দুইটা ইনস্টলমেন্টে আমার এই টাকাটা পে করা হয়ে যেত। তো দুইটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট মানে এই সিরিজের দুইটা টার্ম, তাই না? দুইটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট মানে এই সিরিজের দুইটা টার্ম, তাইলে আমরা n এর ভ্যালু বলতাম 2। এখন যদি আমার টোটাল 9 টাকা লোন হইতো তাইলে ফার্স্ট তিনটা টার্মে আমার কি হয়ে যেত, ফার্স্ট তিনটা টার্ম মানে ফার্স্ট তিনটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট দিলে আমার টাকাটা পে করা হয়ে যেত। বাট এখন কতটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট লাগবে, তার মানে এই সিরিজে কয়টা টার্ম আছে আমি সেটা জানি না। ঠিক আছে, এই সিরিজে কতটা টার্ম থাকবে আমি সেটা জানি না, সেটা আমাকে জানতে হবে। তার মানে আমার n এর ভ্যালুটা এখানে বের করতে হবে। এই জিনিসটা যদি কেউ না বুঝো তাহলে এখনই আমাকে বলো, আমি আরেকবার একটু এক্সপ্লেইন করি, অসুবিধা নেই। বুঝতে পারলে বলো যে হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝতে পারছি, অসুবিধা না লাগবে না।
বুঝছি।
ওকে, গুড। তো আবার একটু বলি, সেটা হচ্ছে এখানে কয়টা ইনস্টলমেন্ট, এটা একটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট, দুইটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট, তিনটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট, চারটা ইনস্টলমেন্ট, এরকম করে কয়টা ইনস্টলমেন্ট হওয়ার পরে টোটালটার সামেশন এত হবে। তার মানে এই সিরিজে কয়টা টার্ম থাকতে হবে যাতে সামেশনটা 2500 হয়। তো কয়টা টার্মের কোশ্চেন যখনই আসবে আমরা জানি সেখানে n এর ভ্যালু আমাকে বের করতে বলা হচ্ছে। তো আমরা লিখে নি লেট n number of installments are needed. Okay, now then what I can write for this series, the first term is equal to a is equal to 1, then common difference I am writing in short, you have to write in details, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Acha, now the summation we know to be equal to 2500, and it is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2500. So from here we can do the calculation. 2 into a is 1 plus n minus 1, n we don't know, and d is 2, so it is 2550. Then if I change
2500 sir.
2500, right? 2500. Okay, so n by 2 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 2500. Acha, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it will be into 2n is equal to 2500, and 2 cancel, n into n, it will be n square. Now 2500 can be written as 50 square. N is equal to 50. So n is equal to 50. That means 50 installments are required to repay the whole loan. Okay, first installment, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Likewise, you have to go up to 50th installments. Okay, then the whole amount will be repaid inshallah. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve. So you can write the final line as 50 installments will be required. 50 installments will be needed. Okay. We have come down to the last problem of this chapter. This is also kind of similar to the problem that we solve in number 8. I will give you a little hint and you can do the rest of the calculation at home, inshallah. Before I move on to the last problem, anybody wants to ask any question from this problem number 23? I would like to request you to solve a similar problem that is in the example 6. Okay, please solve this one, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the next class. Okay, and inshallah we will be solving some more problems from the suggestion book. If you remember, Moshur sir gave you some picture as assignment, right? So from those assignment, inshallah we will solve the necessary problems. I will tell you the number. Okay, I will mark it and I will send you, inshallah. Okay, number 24. Number 24 is creative. Apa class nichi? Tumi ki koro? Tumi knife niye ki koro? Apa asতেছি একটু কোন মধ্যে আসতেছি। Okay. Okay. এটা লিখবে। ওকে, এখন এখানে খেয়াল রাখতে হবে যে মানে পাশে মেনশন করে দিতে হবে here a is the first term, d is the common difference. Okay, আচ্ছা কোশ্চেনটা পড়ি। The lth term of an arithmetic series is l square. Lth term is l square. Now from here I can write the formula l minus 1 into b is equal to l square. This is one equation, and then kth term is k square. It will be a plus a minus 1 into d is equal to k square. Okay, so this is going to be equation number 2. Fine. Number 1, construct two equations according to the information of the stem, considering a as the first term of the series and d as the common difference. We already did, right? I already question type is not form. Now find the l plus kth term. That means we have to solve problem number 2. We have to find l plus kth term. Now I want to ask you, can you do it? If you go to problem number 8, we already found out m plus nth term over there. We already found out m plus nth term. Here it has been replaced by l plus kth term. Okay, in the similar process, inshallah, I hope you can do. If you cannot, then we can always discuss in the next class if we meet, inshallah. Okay, then I want you to try the number 3 also. Okay, so please try to solve it. Okay, now let me give you a little hint. Okay, how you can find the value of a and d from here. You can see here is a plus, here is also a plus. So if you subtract one of the equation from the other, a and a will get cancelled, right? And as a result, what will happen? You will be able to find the value of d. Okay, then again, if you put back the value of d in any of the two equations, you can find the value of a. So a and d you have, then in l plus kth term, you can put the value and find the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so try to do, inshallah. Okay, আমি চাই সবগুলো আমি সলভ না করে দিই, তোমরা নিজের একটু পাশে ট্রাই করো, মাথা খাটাও, এন্ড এগুলা করো। যদি কোনো ডাউট থাকে অবশ্যই আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে জানাবা আগে, আর আমরা আরো কিছু এক্সট্রা ক্রিয়েটিভ প্র্যাকটিস করব। ঠিক আছে, কিছু খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট ক্রিয়েটিভ আছে, ওগুলা ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করব। ওকে, তো যদি সম্ভব হয় আজকে আসলে রাত্রেবেলা এনার্জি থাকে না, নাহলে রাত্রেবেলা আরেকটা ক্লাস নেওয়ার চেষ্টা করতাম। তারপরে দেখি যদি পারি তো রাত্রেবেলা ক্লাস নিব, সবাই একটু হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে অ্যাক্টিভ থাকি। ওকে, তোমরাও পারবা কিনা সেটারও একটা বিষয় আছে। ওকে, তো জানাইও আমাকে, আমি যখন মেসেজ দিব তখন রিপ্লাই দিও। ওকে
Okay, sir.
ওকে, তো যেগুলো হোমওয়ার্ক দিলাম সেগুলো একটু এখন করে ফেলো। এগুলো যদি এখন করে ফেলতে পারো বাই নাইট, ওকে, দেন ইনশাআল্লাহ উই ক্যান ডিসকাস দ্য সাজেশন বুক প্রবলেম। ওকে, আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।
Alaikum, sir.